Hello guys, welcome on my beginner 3D modeling course. In this video we will learn how to create simple game ready tree, something like this for example. And let's start. First of all, let's create a cube. Shift A, mesh cube. Then we need to go to edit mode and press M and merge all vertices in one. Go to front view and let's create a shape of the tree. So again to object mode. It's no matter how it looks like now, we will fix it. And then we need to apply a few modifiers. Skin modifier and this modifier. So let's go again to edit mode and select this one to see if there is a model. And let's now move everything to create a nice tree. So what's next? Next we need to select these vertices, select this mode, proportional editing, Ctrl A, and when we rotate in wheels on the mouth, it changes the radius. Like this. Then deselect proportional editing. And let's create a nice tree. Again to object mode, front view. Now we need to add one more mesh, icosphere. Now let's go to sculpt mode, select object mode, be sure that this icosphere is selected. And right now we need to apply this checkbox. Okay. And be sure that selected constant detail is important. And let's create leaves shape. Okay, I think for now it's fine. Object mode, again to UV editing. Right now we need to reduce the polygon count to make it more low poly and spend less resources in our games. Let's add a modifier, decimate modifier, select triangulate. Like this, and let's do something like this maybe. Apply modifier. Also we need to do the same with the triangle. Decimate. Now we also need to apply modifiers, but important thing is we need to apply from the top to the bottom. This subdivide and then decimate. So the next step will be add the colors. So let's create a material for our tree. Let's call it nature. The next step, we need to apply texture, color palette. Open and select texture 1 PNG. You can find link to this texture in the description. So I will show you. This is color palette. Then we need to change to this viewport mode and also apply this material to trunk. So let's change colors. Edit mode, A to select everything, then press U and project from viewport. This is our UV of the sleeves. Let's move it here and add this gradient effect. You need to just scale it like this. You can do this how do you want. And right. Let's do the same for the trunk. Edit mode, A to select everything, U, project from viewport, and also change to this scale. And something like this. You see, we need to also a little bit change in material roughness, and then select leaves, then select tree, trunk, and join. Okay. So let's change a little bit pivot point, object, set origin to 3D cursor. Let's scale it. And now our model is ready, almost ready. We need to apply the scales before exporting to Unity or Unreal Engine. Be sure that everything rotation on the 0, scales on the 1. Ctrl A, rotate and scale. Now everything is okay. And now our model is ready. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, as in the next lesson we will learn how to create low poly style wooden planks with scratches.